Jabir ibn Hayyan, the father of chemistry. What if I told you that the foundations of modern chemistry were laid over 100 to 200 years ago? Before laboratories, before modern science, there was a man who transformed experimentation into a system. His name was Jabir ibn Hayyan, known in the West as Jabir, the father of chemistry. Jabir ibn Hayyan lived during the 8th century, around 721 to 815 AD, during the Abbasid Caliphate. This was the era of the Islamic Golden Age, a time when knowledge from across civilizations was translated, studied, and expanded. He worked in Kufa, in present-day Iraq, under the patronage of powerful rulers and scholars. Jabir made groundbreaking contributions that are still fundamental today. Jabir ibn Hayyan was not just an alchemist. He was a scientist, philosopher, and pioneer of experimental chemistry. While earlier traditions focused on mystical transformation of metals, Jabir brought a new approach. Observation, experimentation, documentation. He believed that knowledge must be tested, not just assumed. Jabir ibn Hayyan is considered the first to transform alchemy into chemistry. He introduced systematic experimentation, a method that would later become the scientific method. He emphasized precise measurement, repeatable experiments, and careful observation. This shift from theory to experimentation is what gave birth to modern chemistry. Jabir made groundbreaking contributions that are still fundamental today. He developed key chemical processes such as distillation, crystallization, sublimation, evaporation. He also designed and improved laboratory equipment, including the alembic, used for distillation. Among his major achievements: preparation of strong acids such as nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. Early development of aqua regia, a powerful solution capable of dissolving gold. Classification of substances into categories such as metals, nonmetals, and volatile compounds. These were not just discoveries, they were the building blocks of chemistry. Jabir ibn Hayyan insisted that science must be based on experimentation and evidence. He wrote that a scientist must observe carefully, experiment repeatedly, and record findings accurately. This approach laid the foundation for modern scientific research. Jabir is believed to have written hundreds of works, including the Book of Chemistry and the Book of 70. His writings were later translated into Latin and studied in Europe for centuries. In fact, the Latin name Jabir became one of the most respected authorities in early European chemistry. Today, Jabir ibn Hayyan is remembered as the father of chemistry. His work influenced generations of scientists and helped shape the scientific revolution. Every laboratory, every chemical process, every experiment today carries his legacy. Jabir ibn Hayyan showed the world that science is not guesswork. It is discovery through evidence. More than 200 years later, his method still defines how we understand the universe. Before chemistry became science, Jabir ibn Hayyan made it one.